In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp to Google Docs. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to open and work on a Google Doc or sheet right inside your ClickUp workspace, which keeps your tasks and documents in one clean place. All you need is access to your ClickUp workspace and a Google account with the document you want to embed. Start by heading to clickup.com in your browser. On the sign-in page, choose the option to continue with Google. If you're prompted, select the Google account you want to connect. This securely links ClickUp to your Google profile so it can display your docs or sheets where you need them. If you see a permissions prompt, review it and proceed so ClickUp can show your file. Once you're in ClickUp, navigate to the team space where you want this integration to live. Think of a team space as the broader area that groups related projects, people, and views. Pick the space that makes the most sense for your team's workflow so everyone can find the doc easily later. Inside that space, open the specific project you want to connect to Google Docs. This keeps your embedded file close to the tasks and discussions that use it, which helps reduce context switching. Next, open the View area for that project. Views let you organize the same work in different ways, and this is where you'll add your Google Docs view. When the option appears, choose Google Docs. You're essentially creating a dedicated tab that will display a single Google Doc or sheet. Now switch to a new browser tab and open the Google Doc or Google Sheet you want to use. Make sure it's the exact file your team needs. Copy the URL from your browser's address bar. As a tip, check the file's sharing settings in Google. If teammates need to see or edit the doc inside ClickUp, ensure the Google Files access matches those needs. Head back to ClickUp, paste the URL into the Google Docs field, and save. ClickUp will load the document into the view you just created. Give it a moment to appear. Larger files can take a few seconds. You can now view and edit your Google Doc or sheet directly in ClickUp. Consider renaming the view to something descriptive so teammates can find it quickly. Keep in mind that access still follows Google's sharing rules, so if someone can't open the file in ClickUp, adjust sharing on the Google side. From here, you can keep tasks and documents in sync, reference the doc in comments, and reduce the need to jump between tabs. That's it. Your Google Doc is integrated and ready to use inside ClickUp.